I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Hello, my dear friend, and welcome back to my English countryside. Today we continue our gentle walk through Tintagel Castle, a place wrapped in mystery and legend. The weather is gray and moody, soft rain falling over the cliffs, and yet there is such beauty in these gloomy days. The world feels quieter, the air filled with a hush, as if time itself has slowed down to let us simply be. It is said that King Arthur was born here, in this very place touched by myth and sea winds. Standing among these ruins with the waves crashing far below, it feels as though the past and present meet in one timeless moment. There is something so special about farm shops. Supporting local farmers feels like honoring the rhythm of the land itself. It is one of the simplest joys of countryside life, and one I cherish deeply. And as evening settles in, the kitchen becomes the heart of home. With apples, a touch of flour, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, the air fills with the warm fragrance of autumn, sweet, spicy, and comforting. These are the simple moments that make a season unforgettable. Thank you for spending this time with me, Your presence, your kind words, and thoughtful comments mean more than I can ever say. If you ever feel like supporting this little channel, you'll find a link in the pinned comment below. And if you'd like to stay a little longer in this quiet corner of calm, I warmly invite you to subscribe. I would be so happy to welcome you back. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you find joy in the small, ordinary things, a warm cup of tea, the sound of rain, the glow of a candle, because it is often in the simplest moments that life feels most beautiful. Take care and see you soon.